So, good afternoon, sir. So, my name is Ara. I will be your nurse for today. So, let me know your name and your age, please.
Rafael J. David, 18 years old
Okay.
po.
So, today, no. For your privacy, I will close the door and the windows for you. Ipataas ang chin up and down. Mabagal. Okay. Turn your head left and right. Okay. Okay. Lean side to side. Okay. Check the hands. Spread the hands front, side, and back. Side and back. Okay. Up the hand, up. Yeah, that's nice. Do you feel anything, sir? Okay. Flip the hands. Flip the hands. So, kailan may inggamat ko tapos push mo. Mag-dito ka ng push. Dito. Your hands. And then lift. Start. Kaya ka dyan yung bites. Tapos may bites na win ka niya. So, i-push me. Tas may bitis mo. Push me ka ako. Then, push me. Saan pa?